Unraveling the Phrase, in a Pickle. Hello dear learners. Today, we're diving into an interesting English phrase, in a pickle. You might be thinking of the tasty, crunchy vegetable right now, but there's more to it. Let's unravel the mystery behind this phrase. In a pickle is an idiom in the English language. An idiom is a phrase or expression that doesn't mean exactly what the words say. When someone says they are in a pickle, they are not literally inside a jar of pickles. Instead, they mean that they are in a difficult or tricky situation. It's like being in a tight spot or facing a dilemma. The term pickle originally referred to a spicy sauce that was used to preserve meat. Over time, it came to mean a troublesome situation. The idea is likely tied to the mixed and confusing ingredients of pickles. The phrase became popular in the 16th century, and even the famous playwright William Shakespeare used it in his works. Now that you know the meaning and origin, let's see how to use it in sentences. 1. I forgot my wallet at home and now I'm in a pickle because I can't pay for lunch. 2. She double-booked her schedule and found herself in a pickle when both events started at the same time. 3. The team was in a pickle after realizing they missed an important detail in their project. Just like in a pickle, there are other idioms that mean being in a difficult situation. Here are a few. In hot water, this means someone is in trouble, usually because of something they did. Between a rock and a hard place, this suggests that someone has to make a decision between two equally tough options. We've uncovered the delightful mystery behind the phrase, in a pickle. Now, when you hear someone use this idiom, you'll know they're not talking about their lunch, but rather a challenging situation they're facing. We hope this video has been enlightening. Remember, language is full of fun and quirky phrases, and uncovering their meanings can be a fascinating journey. Happy learning!